5 vocal tricks you can use to make your singing more dynamic and interesting to listen to. But before you go into this, ensure that you have mastered, good breathing technique. You know how to support your singing with your breath. You have good vocal placement. You have resonant sound, okay? And then pitch accuracy. All right, then. Okay, so let's begin. These tricks will help you make your singing more fun and interesting. So the first one is the note bend. So when you do something like ha, listen to that. Ha, ha, and then you do it quickly. Ha, okay, that's some style that you can add to your singing to ensure that you don't sing exactly what the singer did, okay? So try that when you come to Coach Ellie's singing showcase, all right? Another one you want to try, okay, that's the second trick, crescendo and decrescendo. What does that mean? Crescendo and decrescendo, okay? Going from loud to soft, that is decrescendo, and then going from soft to loud, that is crescendo. You can add that to your singing. Hey, can you see that? From soft to loud and back, okay? Add them anywhere within the verses that you are singing, all right? Let's go to the third one, which is the vibrato. Sounds familiar. The vibrato. And we all know it, okay? So when you say something like, you sing something like, it's time to sing, sing. Singing is coming from here, okay? Where you have the abdominal muscles. If you can master that, you can do vibrato. All right? Excellent. So add that whenever you're singing a long note and you don't just want the note to be straight, okay? You can add some vibrato to decorate that beautiful note. Okay, let's move to the next one. I particularly love this one. Now, for example, I sing something like this. It's the fourth one, don't forget, and it's called the vocal fry. The vocal fry. Sounds like you're frying something, okay? So when we say like, hi, how are you, for example, let's use a melody for that. Hi, how are you? Okay, now that's straight up. With the vocal fry, we're gonna have something like I. Can you see what's coming before the high? Okay. That's the vocal fry. You can add it to your verses. Mariah uses it a lot. Okay, and other wonderful singers. How are you? Hey, then hey. You see the difference? Use it whenever you want to add some stylistic elements to your singing. The fifth one, guys, it's the growl. Like the lion. Yeah. And Angelique Kidjo uses it a lot, okay, in her singing. The growl. Hey, okay. Hey, can you see that? Hi, okay. Use it whenever you are singing, okay. Gives your singing some, some edge, and it attracts your listeners. It draws them into whatever you are doing, okay. So guys, 5 vocal tricks that you can use whenever you're coming on Coach Ellie's singing showcase to sing. Add them to your singing. Remember, you don't just want to come and do exactly what the singer did. I mean, we heard it before many times. So bring in these stylistic elements, add them to your singing, and you're gonna be blowing us away, and you're gonna be getting a golden buzzer from Coach Ellie. All right, guys, I see you again on my next video. Comment what next you want me to teach about, okay? And we're going to bring you a video that will make singing even more easy and fun for you. All right? Okay, guys, see you soon again. Bye for now. It's Coach Ellie, your vocal expert.